In this video, you'll learn how to undo and redo your recent changes using simple shortcuts and menu options. These are some of the most useful commands you can use while editing, whether you're working on video, audio, documents, or almost any creative project on your computer. Let's start with undo, which lets you quickly revert the last action you performed. Anytime you make a mistake, change your mind, or just want to go back one step, undo is usually the fastest and safest way to fix it. On Windows, the keyboard shortcut for undo is Ctrl+Z. On a Mac, it's Command+C. Try to get used to pressing these keys with one hand so it becomes second nature. For example, if you just trimmed a clip too short, moved something to the wrong spot, or accidentally deleted a piece of content, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or CMD+Z on Mac. You'll see that last action instantly revert. If you prefer using menus instead of shortcuts, you can do the exact same thing from the top menu bar. Go to the Edit menu, then click Undo. The menu often shows you what specific action will be undone, like undo trim or undo delete, so you know exactly what you're stepping back from. This is helpful when you're unsure what your last move was, or if you're still getting comfortable with the shortcuts. Undo is usually not limited to just one step. You can press Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z several times in a row to walk back through multiple actions one at a time. This makes it easy to reverse a series of changes without having to manually fix each one. Just be aware that if you undo too far, you might remove changes you actually wanted to keep. That's where redo comes in. Now let's look at redo, which lets you reapply an action that you just undid. Think of it as moving forward again after you've stepped backward with undo. On Windows, the shortcut for redo is Ctrl+Shift+Z. On a Mac, it's Command+Shift+Z. So you're basically using the same undo shortcut, but adding the shift key. For example, if you pressed undo a few times and realized you went one step too far, just press Ctrl+Shift+Z on Windows or CMD+Shift+Z on Mac to bring that last action back. You can also access redo from the menu. Just like undo, go back up to the edit menu and this time click redo. Again, many programs will show you exactly what's being redone, such as redo trim or redo move, which gives you a clear idea of what will happen before you confirm it. A helpful habit is to use undo and redo together while you're experimenting. Make a change, and if you're not sure about it, undo it. If you decide you liked it after all, redo it. This back and forth lets you test different ideas without worrying about losing your work or permanently committing to every decision. So to recap in practice, use Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z or Edit then undo to revert your last action, and use Ctrl+Shift+Z or CMD+Shift+Z or Edit then redo to bring that action back. Once you get comfortable with these, you'll work fast